Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de. So, when you're managing a team, it's not enough to see just one live screen of your employees. You want to see everything at once. Every live screen of the computers in your business on one dashboard. And in this video, I'll show you that. I'll show you how to view multiple screens live inside Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard. You'll see how easy it is to monitor several computers at the same time directly from one dashboard, so to speak. So you can even zoom into any screen instantly without disturbing the employees. Let's open the dashboard. That's what you see here. Let's take a look on how it works. This works like this. You install a small piece of software in each of your business computers. And after you install it, I will show you in a minute how to install it. After you install it, you get the access to your dashboard, and that's what you're seeing here. This is the demo dashboard, but exactly the same you will get, except on your dashboard, the password to enter will not be displayed there, okay? So let's enter. 12345 is the demo dashboard password. You will set your own password. You log into your dashboard, and for each computer that you have installed Wolfeye on, in this case, it is installed on 5 computers, you will see the live computer screen of each computer. In this case, this is the demo dashboard, and you can even by yourself visit the demo, wolfeyewatch.com/frame/demo .php. This is and then you know the password. So this is the demo dashboard. So you see only pictures, so to speak, but in reality you will see the live screen, and live screen means it is a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. A screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. That's what you will see here for each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye on. Okay, so you have the possibility to change the columns here. You change to 2 columns and see bigger screens, or change to 3 columns so that you have all the screens on one dashboard. And what you can also do is, in case you see one of your employees, one of these screens, you want to take a closer look, you right mouse click on live, and open in a new tab. And from that moment on, you will be able to see the live computer screen of that particular employee. Let me change, And also, what you can do is the following. You can right mouse click on history for that particular employee, or for that particular employee, right mouse click, for example, here on history, and what you will get will be screenshot history. A screenshot will be saved every 5 minutes, or every 1 minute, or every 10 minutes. You set the interval, will be saved, so that you can check what has been doing in the last hours, in the last days, and that way you can monitor very, very well everything that happens. And that's it. Okay, so what I ask you to do is the following. Test it for free. Come to our website on this is also our website. You can also come to wolfeye.co, but no, that's the Wolfeye.de. Sorry, Wolfeye.de. Come to everything is from us. Wolfeye.co, Wolfeye.de. Come to Wolfeye.de. Click on start a trial, and here you can also do it with Wolfeye.com. By the way, now that I showed you, I didn't want to show it here, but anyhow, you can click on here in English. A free trial, and you will get a trial. But I want you to look at Wolfeye.de. It's everything the same. It's everything me. Okay, you can book a demo session, a Google Meet demo session, and in that demo session, I will share my screen and make a quick demonstration to you. Will give you the access to my dashboard so that you will be able to see my live screen on the dashboard. You will be able to exactly see what you will get if you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on your computer. That's the first step. I will show you how it works. And if you like it, we can go to step 2. It will only take 15 minutes in total, approximately. In the step 2, if you want, you share your screen and I will guide you through the installation process. We can install it together. You share your screen in a Google Meet session. I can see your screen and guide you. And you install it on one computer or 2 computer or all computer, you decide. But typically, after you install it on one computer, you will exactly know how to install Wolfeye Remote Screen and will be able to quickly set up Wolfeye by yourself on your remaining computers. You install it on the remaining computers, will receive the access to your dashboard, that's what's written here, and we'll test it for a few weeks. Yeah? So please come and schedule a demo session with me so that we install on your computer. You click a date that you want, you click a time, enter your information, and that's it. So is it easy to install Wolfeye Remote Screen? It takes just like 15 minutes. See how easy it is. You download the application. That's what we will do together. I will give you the download link. You download the application. That's the setup file. You double click the setup file. Okay. You click on install. It is installed. And you launch Wolfeye Remote Screen and it opens. This is the software. And what you must do, you click the green button that says share screen, this enabled screen sharing. You know it's running when it turns red. And then you click the blue button that says stealth mode. You click it and it goes into stealth mode, hides itself. And from now on, you will be able to see the live screen of this computer on the dashboard. Yes. So that's how it works. Schedule a Google Meet session. I hope this helps. So we see us in the next video.